Hi guys, welcome back to my Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a new wig. You guys know I love wigs. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you love wigs like me. Today I'm collaborating with, let me read the name because I get mistaken. So I believe it's Olymeiwig.com. I believe that's how you say it, but if I'm not saying it correctly, you'll see it on the bottom of the screen and maybe you can say it better than me. I'm going to be reviewing their full Swiss lace front knotless box braided wig. It has baby hairs. She's 36 inches as well. So this is the package that the wig came in, and I'm going to open it. So it also comes with the wig. It comes with 2 wig caps. Oh, and they sent me some lashes, and they also sent me like the little braided gold clips that go in the hair. Let me move back. So this is how the wig looks, you guys. 36 inches. So she has 2 clips in the front right here. So they look like they go like right in the edges of the hairline, which is good because it'll actually push up the wig and it'll fit snite. I was gonna say tight and snug and I came out with snite. It's gonna fit nice and snug on my head. She also has a clip in the back, 1 clip. She has the average, yeah, it looks like she has the, let me take these out. This is the wig straps that all lace wigs come with. These are the straps that every lace wig comes with. It's really, really tight, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it because it's really tight. It also comes with a strap, a big, thicker strap that comes in the middle, and it has a way where you can adjust it tighter or looser if you want. It goes right in the middle of the head, so that's good. So I'll probably use that strap. I don't know if I'll use the back straps. It has lace in the back because it's like a 360 wig. So if you wanna put the hair all the way up in a bun, it has lace in the back for that, and it has lace in the front for that. So this is basically a full lace wig. Now that I'm looking at it, it's a full lace wig. The whole wig is fully laced, which is awesome. I'm like excited. So after I spray that, I'm just gonna install the wig and the baby hair. So let's get right into it.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall, so done with second.
So I'm gonna take off my scarf here. You guys know I don't really wear wig caps, and plus I feel like because I sprayed the whole wig with my tint spray, I don't really need a wig cap. I think the wig cap will probably not match my skin and it'll just be really off. So I'm not gonna wear a wig cap. You guys know I'm not a big fan of wig caps, so my hair is braided. So I'm going to put the wig on. Let's see how it looks and how tight it is in my head. Whew. Okay, this wig is really pretty. It's really, really pretty. Let me actually just look in my mirror. Yes, it's really pretty. It's very thick. It's very thick-alicious. So yeah, I like it. It's nice. I don't have to style it because it looks like I look like Mekhi Phifer from 8 Mile. Yeah. What was his name in the movie? I forgot. I haven't seen the movie in a while. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna style it. So I'm gonna install the front of the wig right now. Just gonna put these braids up like this so we can see what we're working with here. Okay. Install this frontal piece right now. Before I do that, I'm going to be using Esha's Grip and Guard, so that because I have on makeup and stuff, it might be a little, you know, slippery, and this kind of like dries out the area and really preps it to be glued down. So that's why I really like to use this product. I recommend. And then I'm going to be using, don't mind how the bottle looks, it's been through a lot. I'm going to be using Bold Holds Active because right now I'm active and I'm sweaty, and this is good for if you sweat a lot and you're active. Even though I'm sitting down, I feel like I'm active. So I'm going to be using Bold Holds Active today.
Yes, and you seem to have it all, and loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. And loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Get rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like get rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like get rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
this around my head for a good like 30 minutes off camera because I really need this to lay down. It's a heavy wig, you know, it's a lot of braids, so as far as like making sure it doesn't pop up when you do updos, you want to make sure that it is laid because like I said, it's a heavy wig and it has a lot of braids. So I added, as you guys can see, a little yellow scrunchie to match my the dress that I'm wearing. Let's see how it looked. Like I said, it's a lot of braids in the front, so like it looks kind of bulky, which I'm not a fan of, but let's see how it looks when I take off the head tie and then I can do my fixes or whatever else I need to do. Okay. Oh, let's take it off. Oh. Okay. This side is popping the F up. Okay. Lift it up a little bit, y'all. So I'm gonna have to just fix that in a minute. Yeah, this is how it came out. That's the baby hairs I did. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. It looks crazy, but I know it's a full lace wig, so this is how the back looks. When I stand up, you guys can see. You guys can see how long it is. It comes right here, right by my panty line. So it comes right there. Yes, but it's very pretty. This can be yours for this wig. It was $171.49 and it is now on sale for $119.99. They also have different colors. They have this, this is a black. They have a 1B27, they have a 1B30, and they have a 1B burgundy. So they have 4 different shades for you to choose from if you're not really like just a black hair person, you want to spice it up a little bit. They also offer a lot of other wigs on their site that are braided. If it's not your style, you're going to find your style on Olymeiwig.com. Let me know what you guys think below. I try the best that I can to keep the sides down. You know, I just try to spice it up with a little cute little hair clip. So tell me what you guys think. I love you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. But until then, keep slaying. Okay, don't leave yet. That's not the end of the video. So after I filmed this part, I went back, I took the hair out, and I added some really cute yellow butterfly clips because I wanted to try a different style, and I actually liked this look better. So yeah, this is just a little quick restyling of the wig.
The conversation flows a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. And